next up, this is the Ageless Eye Repair from SkinSanity is the name of the brand. And this is really cool because it's like a little serum. So it's really lightweight, but it helps with hydration, but it is especially going to help with puffiness. So helping to depuff under the eye and also help to brighten. And this is the little other product that I'm going to use that I'll tell you about in the next clip. But this guy is a little wand. So it's got an LED in it. The blue is going to be for antibacterial. So this is great if you have a blemish. You can kind of put a little blemish treatment on this guy and kind of hit it with the blue light because it is an antibacterial. But then you hit the button one more time, and I don't know if you can see that, it changes to red and it'll heat up a little bit. So what I'm doing is putting this little drop of this eye serum that I'm going to tell you about right now. So this is going to, the serum on its own is perfect for depuffing underneath the eye. And then also, if you don't like a thicker cream underneath the eye, this one is definitely hydrating, but it doesn't leave any slip. So sometimes if you are using too emollient of an eye cream, especially during the day, it can break down your eye makeup. So it will like break down your mascara a little bit and you might get those little smudges underneath there. Even with a waterproof product, if your eye cream is too emollient, it can break down your eye makeup. So I really enjoy using a serum for my hydration and for my around the eye care during the day because it's a little bit lighter weight. It absorbs a little bit quicker and you can just kind of see that it doesn't leave any kind of film or anything like that, but my under eye is super, super smooth. I put a little bit on my lid too, and voila. So what is in this product? Arnica. Arnica is also great for helping with discoloration and with any puffiness, so it'll help calm the under eye area down a little bit. There's an aloe leaf juice in here, which is also great for helping with discoloration and calming. And anything else in here. And then again, it's really hydrating. So sodium hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So you're going to get a great hydration without a ton of slip. So this under eye serum, you would think you could even layer it if you wanted a little bit more hydration as well. You could layer this underneath an eye cream too. So 15% off. $38 for this guy, and you're getting a half an ounce in there, and you don't even use one full pump for both eyes. It's like half a pump to split between both eyes. So really great deal, super effective product. And this guy, non-GMO, vegan, and soy-free as well is this one, I believe. All right, any other questions? If you're not catching this on the live, feel free to hit me up in the chat and I will answer them in a very